In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create any slider in WordPress, free plugin. Start by opening your WordPress dashboard and heading into the site editor. From the templates, choose your home template so we can place the slider where visitors will see it first. Click into the section where you want the slider to appear. Hero areas and featured sections work great, and position your cursor there. Open the block inserter and use the search bar. Type slider and select the slider block from your free plugin. Once it's inserted, you'll see an empty slider area. Click to add your first slide, pick an image from the media library or upload a new one, then add a headline and a short caption right on the slide. Repeat to add as many slides as you need. You can drag slides to reorder them and remove any placeholders you don't want. Next, fine-tune the slider in the Settings sidebar. Enable navigation arrows and dots so visitors can move through slides. Turn on autoplay if you want it to rotate automatically, then set the delay and transition speed so it feels natural. If available, enable pause on hover, loop or infinite scroll, and swipe or keyboard navigation. For layout, switch to full width if your design calls for it, and use the block toolbar to center or stretch the slider. Inside each slide, you can adjust typography, spacing, and overlays. A subtle dark overlay behind text can dramatically improve contrast on bright images. Add a call to action button on any slide and link it to the page you want. A few quality touches make a big difference. Write descriptive alt text for every image to improve accessibility and SEO. Keep image files optimized so the slider loads quickly. Large, uncompressed images will slow things down. If your plugin supports lazy loading, turn it on. Keep copy concise so it looks clean on mobile. Preview your changes to see how the slider behaves. If your editor provides scheduling, set a publish date and time so the slider launches alongside a campaign or product release. Confirm any prompts that appear as you apply settings. When everything looks right, click Save. WordPress will show what's being updated. Finally, click Launch or Publish to push the changes live. Before wrapping up, quickly test on mobile and tablet views, tighten spacing if text wraps awkwardly, and verify links on your buttons. Limit the number of slides to what your audience will actually engage with. Fewer, more focused slides usually perform better. And that's it. You've built a polished, flexible slider in WordPress using a free plugin.